In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change cursor on Windows 11. If you want to make your mouse pointer easier to see, match your personal style, or simply feel more comfortable while using your computer, Windows 11 gives you a few built-in ways to customize it. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along at your own pace. First, open the Settings app. A quick way to do this is by using the keyboard shortcut to open Settings directly. Once the window appears, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Accessibility. This section is where Windows keeps many of its visual and usability options, including mouse pointer customization. After that, select Mouse Pointer and Touch. This page lets you control how your cursor looks and behaves. Near the top, you'll see several mouse pointer styles to choose from. You can pick white, black, inverted, or custom color. The white pointer is the standard default, black can stand out better on bright backgrounds, and inverted automatically changes based on what's underneath it, which can help with visibility. If you choose a custom color, you can make the pointer fit your preference more closely. Next, use the size slider to make the pointer larger or smaller. This is especially useful if the default cursor feels too tiny or hard to track across the screen. A slightly larger pointer can make everyday navigation much easier, especially on high-resolution displays. If you want even more cursor options, stay on this page and go to the related settings area. From there, click on Mouse. On the next screen, scroll down until you find Additional Mouse Settings. This will open the classic Mouse Properties pop-up window, which includes more advanced customization tools. Inside Mouse Properties, click on the Pointers tab. This is where you can change the actual pointer design beyond the basic styles shown in Settings. Click Browse to look through the available pointer files on your computer. When you find a pointer style you like, select it, then click Open. After that, click Apply to preview the change. If everything looks good, you can keep it as your new cursor style. Take a moment to move your mouse around and make sure the new pointer is easy to see and feels right for you. If not, you can always go back and try another style or size. That's all it takes to change your cursor in Windows 11, and it's a simple way to make your desktop feel more personalized and easier to use.